Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to find first the derivative of y equals to a to the power of s. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of ln8 equals to capital A. The capital A, that is about a to the power of s. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Capital A, that is about the small a. Capital B, that is about s. And now this one equals to e to the power of s ln8. Now we can apply the formula of first derivative in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have first derivative of capital A in here multiplied by e to the power of 8. Now we can apply the formula for this one. So first derivative of s, we have number 1. So we have ln A in here. Next, we have the next one. E to the power of A would be in here equals to e to the power of A. Go first, everything to the power of B. So we put ln A go in here, s go outside. Next, this one, that is similar for this one. So we just change by the small a in here. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.